some breaking inputs coming in. Congress party has appointed observers for Haryana elections, and Ashok Gehlot along with Pratap Singh Bajwa and Ajay Maken have been given the responsibility to look after Haryana elections. So they'll be the election in charges. These three observers have been appointed by the Congress party for Haryana elections. Observer 1 Ashok Gehlot, observer number 2 is Pratap Singh Bajwa, and Ajay Maken would also be an observer for the Haryana elections appointed by the Congress party. So they'll look after Haryana elections for the Congress party and speak to all the leaders there, to the Haryana leadership, coordinate between the Haryana leadership and the High Command of the Congress. So details now coming out as far as the Haryana elections are concerned. All the parties are in prep mode. Congress party has already appointed observers. Ashok Gehlot, Ajay Maken and Pratap Singh Bajwa have been appointed as observers by the Congress party for the Haryana elections. That on your screen is a press release of the Congress party signed by KC Venugopal informing about this decision of the Congress. We have Niyamika getting us more details. Niyamika, so 3 observers appointed.
Well, yes, in fact, this is a very significant move which is being taken by the Congress party as Haryana assembly elections are coming in, and for that reason we have seen that how the Congress party is quite confident that they are surely going to form a government in the state of Haryana, and for that reason now it is the Congress High Command who has appointed 3 of the senior observers, which includes the veteran leaders of the Congress party and the former Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot. Not just him, but in fact Ajay Maken, who is the AICC treasurer, and the Punjab CLP leader Pratap Singh Bajwa. All these 3 leaders have been appointed as the senior observers for the Haryana assembly elections. As if you remember, Ajay Maken was the one who had played a very crucial role for the ticket distribution, as he was the chairperson of the screening committee. And not just this, but in fact he also held talks when there was a certain kind of infighting which was going on regarding the ticket distribution, as there were the 2 different camps within the Haryana Congress, which includes the Hooda camp and the Shelja camp. And Ajay Maken had played a very significant role in this, as while there was a continuous delay in this entire process. Ajay Maken was the one who was continuously in talks with both of these camps as well as the Congress High Command, as he was the one who had coordinated amongst all these leaders who were being seeking ticket from the Congress party, and now he has been appointed as the observer for the Haryana assembly elections. On the other hand, if we talk about Ashok Gehlot, then always the Congress party has trusted upon him, whether it is about the Lok Sabha elections when he was being given the responsibility as the observer